So some trick-or-treaters coming around the bend here. Dracula and his friends out there. And we're going past our town now, coming up on some werewolves out there. Don't have to worry about them. We're all safe in our train here. Over on the right, you have the haunted knight. Haunted knight's out there. It looks like he's picking a fight with somebody out there. And pretty soon, coming up on the right, we have Dora, the Explorer, with Diego and her friend out there. Over on the right, we like Dora, the Explorer. Now, for any of you little ones that have not yet gone to sleep,